Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to solve the 2NR premium installation error. That is, if you just search for 2NR premium while you are located outside Poland, mainly if you are especially located in the Asian countries, you would be facing this issue. Looking for 2NR premium, this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install this application. I mean the original APK file, how to install the original APK file on Android, and I'll be showing you what are the things and how to use this application without facing any errors. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn everything. Well, for the proof, I'll just open and show you. This is the 2NR application. I have a number over here. We'll be able to get 3 numbers for free. And the numbers get expired after 3 days. If you want, we can keep a number up to 7 days if you just verify identity. Right now, I have not. I have verified, but I do not plan on extending the use of this number, as I am planning to get or obtain another number. As you can see, now I got another number. So this is how we actually get a number or something. So I'm just going to go back. We can obtain a lot of numbers like this. You can just choose your own customized number. So in order to solve the installation error, first of all, what you have to do is go to this website. This website's direct link will be given in the description in the first comment, so you can just go take a look at it. In here, there is an article to show you guys how you can download 2NR Premium APK for Android. You can just scroll down. This is the logo. Just take a look at the Play Store logo. There may be a lot of different applications. Just make sure this is the one, and just click on this free APK download for Android over here. If you just click on this 2NR Premium version 2.1.10 would be downloaded. You can just take a look at the Play Store details over here, version updated, requires, whatever. It's from mobile apps. After downloading and installing the application, if you just open the application for the first time, you'd be redirected to this page, permissions page, and here you need to give permission to a lot of permissions, but out of all the 5, you can just only give permission for microphone, and after giving permission to microphone, you would find this back button over here, and you can just use this application. And sometimes the application may not work. If you just you may find the green dot over here would be red. It means that you are offline, so you won't be able to obtain numbers. But you can easily solve that problem too if you just install the application from the link which I gave. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope today's video was helpful to you, and if you want to learn more, or if you are still facing sign up issues or issues when obtaining number in the 2NR application, then you can just go take a look at a few videos in which I solved the 2NR sign up issue. Or if you want to make social media accounts using the number which you obtained from 2NR, I also showed you guys how to make social media accounts WhatsApp using the number. All these videos links will be given in the description in the first comment, so please go take a look at it. Now what's holding you back? Just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button to the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. It's me Suri Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.